Look at that, bro. Look at that. This is my iPhone 12 Pro Max, bro. Yes, this is my beautiful iPhone 12 Pro Max. But today, I received new update, bro. New update. And what is this? This is iOS 16.5. Ubuntu iOS 16.5 is here, just like what in front of me. Do you believe it? Do you believe it? Do I install this or not? Maybe. Okay, let's try to install this version together. Now you can see install now. Okay, let's click. What? You need the code. Let me enter my passcode right now and what? What is this, bro? Term and condition. Important to read. Okay. What can I do, bro? What can I do, my friend? Okay, click on agree. What again? Agree again. And what? I think that this is a great update. Yes. Can you see this, bro? What? What is happening here? What? Where are you going? Where are you, Apple? What is this, bro? What? Apple logo? Seriously? Seriously? And look at that. Ooh. What is this? Update. Right now. Okay. Let's update this phone right now and see what I will see into this beautiful brand new update, my friend. Okay, go. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Boom. Damn. Samsung. No, look at software update. Your iPhone update has been updated to iOS 16.5. Can you see this, bro? Can you see this? Let me enter my passcode quickly. And what? Wow. This is how it look like. This is how it look like. Can you see this, bro? What do you think? I don't know. Okay. Okay. As you can see, it's definitely installed. So, what new about this? What new things about this new update, my friend? I don't know. Bro, because I discovered this for first time with you right now. Yes. Okay. First of all, let's go on software update general. General software update here. And as you can see, this is iOS 16.5. Okay, cool. Now, let's go on IDA 64 first. IDA 64 give me a variable RAM right now. Okay, memory. Let's see what I have right now. Can you see this? Can you see something? Okay, let me increase brightness. Okay, look at a program 531. This is not cool, bro. Just let's try to turn off his phone. And boot again. Press power button. What? Press again. What are you doing? Power button. Okay, cool. Nice. Okay, welcome back. Cool, let me enter my passcode. Okay, beautiful. Now, let's go on either 64 again. Memory. And boom. Can you see this? A variables RAM almost 2 gigabytes. Okay. This is why I recommend you to restart your phone after installation of new update. Nice. Okay. This is cool. Now look at how it look like. Look at how it work. Nice. Great. Cool. What about camera? Have you, let's see if there are new features on this camera. The feature what I want to see is pause and resume. Let's check. Look at nothing. Nothing, bro. Nothing appear. Why Apple? Why Apple? Apple. Why? Why? Can you see this, bro? Just this. By not pause and resume or something. This is not fair. This is not fair, bro. Apple, why? Why? Now, let's see unlock screen. People say that we are new wallpaper. Okay, let's see. On home screen, Face ID, unlock, cool. Nice. Now, customize. Home screen. Let's go here. Beautiful girl. Go back. This is not what I'm looking for. Okay, cancel. Now let's go on settings, wallpaper, and add new wallpaper. And what? Look at Look at that. There's something new here. There's something new in front of me, my friend. Look at this wallpaper. Can you see this? Wow, what is this? Okay. Let's click on what? On add. Okay. Nice. I want to add it as wallpaper. There. Okay, cool. Let's do it. Have you seen this, bro? Okay, lock screen. Boom! Can you see this, bro? Look at how this new wallpaper look like. Can you see this, my friend? What? Wow. This is amazing, God. This is amazing word. Okay. Home screen. Woo! Look at how it look like, bro. Look at how it look like, brother. Wow. This is big. And this is big. Not bad. What about this? What? Have you seen this, bro? Something happened. What, man? But what? What? Seriously? Look at. When you switch, it do something. What is this, bro? What is this, bro? What is this, my friend? What is this? Look at. Damn. 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 Wow. What is this, bro? Honestly, I don't know. I don't know what is happening here. I don't know. Honestly. But wow. This is very cool animation. Very, very, very cool animation. Okay. Wow. What about battery life? Battery earth. Battery. I bought this phone in 2021. Now we are in 2023 now. This is almost 2 years. This phone has almost 2 years. Okay. Battery health now. Battery health. Ooh. 82% of battery. 82% of battery. I don't know. Is it great or not? I lose almost 20% in 2 years. Maybe more than 2 years. What do you think? Is it a good battery or not? And what do you think about this new wallpaper? What do you think, bro? What do you think? I don't know. But this is how your phone look like right now. Can you see this, bro? Customization, home screen. You can add widget. So much widget. Have you seen a new widgets here? I don't know. Have you seen new widgets here? I don't know. But I think that you can add what you want. I don't want to do this right now. Console. Wow. Can you see this? How to amazing wallpapers. Cool. This is cool, bro. Not bad. What? Look at this animation. Not bad. Ooh. It's very full. Wow. Can you see this, bro? Can you see this? Do you believe this? Wow, this is just wow. 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 Wow, 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 wow. What? Change your wallpaper from the lock screen. Okay. Wow. Now what about memory right now? What? Look at RAM. Just no. 80 100. 80 100. What is this, bro? Autofocus. What are you doing? Do you believe this? Wow. Damn. 800 and 26 megabyte available RAM. I feel that iPhone need more RAM, bro. What do you think? I feel that iPhone need more RAM, honestly. iPhone need more RAM. Yes. Say to me what you think about this new wallpaper because I don't know. I test this for the first time. I'm installing this with you right now. I don't know. I don't know. I would like to see something new in camera, bro. Just post in the resume. I don't know why Apple don't want to do this because it's possible to have this with this application. Pro Cam 8, but this application is not stable. This is why I don't recommend you this, bro, because I lose so much videos because of this application that I bought. It's not for free. It's not for free, bro. I bought it, but it caused me so much problems. To give me my money back. Give my money back. Oh God. Can you see this? Bro? Can you see this, brother? Okay. Happy New Month, Joel John. John is here. Okay. Thanks for watching. God bless you. I also want you on this video. And I'll see you later for more videos in GNANGSTUDIO for the YouTube channel. God bless you. And Happy New Day. Happy New Update. Tim, what the fuck is what are you doing? Damn.